Laundry hacks everyone needs to know. Doing laundry is a chore that almost everyone dreads. It's time-consuming and can feel like it's never-ending. However, there are some easy hacks you can use to make this task a bit easier and get your clothes cleaner. So stick around if you want to learn a thing or two about how to make sure your clothes come out as bright and clean as possible. The following tips and tricks may seem small, but they can make a huge difference and maybe even change your outlook on doing laundry. Apply shaving cream to stains before washing your clothes. Shaving cream is basically whipped soap, and the foamy texture allows it to get down into the fibers and lift deep stains in a way that regular liquid soap can't manage on its own. Before washing, apply a small amount of shaving cream to the stained area and gently work it in. Let it sit for about 5 minutes before putting the clothes in the washing machine. This hack is especially effective for getting oil-based stains out of clothing like t-shirts, which often happens while cooking or grilling, where they're more likely to get stained by grease splatters or food drippings. Add salt to prevent colors from fading. Are your once bright-colored clothes starting to look faded? There's a simple way to keep this from happening, and the answer is salt. Adding 1/2 cup of salt to your laundry load can help prevent colors from fading. This works by binding with the dye in the fabric, which prevents it from being washed out during the rinse cycle. Just add the salt in with your detergent and wash as usual. Use vinegar as a natural fabric softener. Vinegar is a natural disinfectant, so it can be used to clean just about anything. And if you're looking for a natural alternative to chemical fabric softeners, vinegar may be the answer. It doesn't leave behind any residue and works just as well as commercial softeners do. It also has several other benefits for your laundry that you might not have expected. Vinegar is acidic and helps break down laundry detergent and suds, making it easier for your washing machine to rinse clothes properly, especially if you live in an area with hard water, which can prevent detergents from dissolving completely. The only downside is that the scent isn't exactly appealing, but there are ways around this. The simplest way to mask the vinegar odor is to also add a few drops of essential oil. Use aluminum foil to remove static cling. Say goodbye to static cling by stuffing a ping-pong ball-sized wad of aluminum foil into your dryer. Its conductive properties help dissipate the static electricity that causes clothes to stick together. To use it, simply crumble up a piece of aluminum foil into a small ball. Toss it in the dryer with your clothes and let the cycle run as usual. Using an aluminum foil ball is cheaper and more environmentally friendly than dryer sheets. You can even reuse a single ball for months before replacing it with another one. Use baking soda and peroxide instead of bleach. Over time, as you wear white clothing over and over, they tend to lose their brightness, especially around the armpit area. And while bleach is a powerful stain remover, it's so strong that it can actually damage the fibers of your clothes. Combining baking soda and hydrogen peroxide makes for a great alternative that is much gentler on fabrics. Simply mix 1 part hydrogen peroxide with 2 parts of baking soda to create a thick paste. Then scrub the paste onto the stained areas and let it sit overnight before washing. Dry clothes faster with a towel. If you ever need to dry your clothes in a rush, this trick will change your life. Whether you're trying to finish drying your laundry before leaving for vacation or trying to get ready for a job interview, having clothes dry faster is always helpful. Next time, just grab a clean, dry towel and throw it in with your clothes. The towel will help pull the moisture out of your clothes, reducing drying time. Freshen up your clothes with vodka. You can easily freshen up clothing, sheets, and towels by spraying them with a 50-50 mixture of water and vodka. Unlike other methods of sanitizing, which tend to rely on perfumes or chemicals that cover up one scent with another, the alcohol in vodka kills odor-causing bacteria and leaves behind no scent itself once it evaporates, which takes just a couple of minutes. This trick is particularly effective for getting rid of odors on synthetic fabrics like spandex, polyester, and nylon that are prone to retaining smells, even after washing. Use ice cubes in the dryer to get rid of wrinkles. This hack might seem a little crazy, but it's totally legit. When you don't have time to iron your clothes, throw a few ice cubes in the dryer with them. The steam from the melting ice will relax fibers in your clothing, leaving them smooth and wrinkle-free. Just be sure to remove your clothes from the dryer and immediately put them on or hang them up so they don't get wrinkled again. Use conditioner to reverse a shrunken sweater. If your favorite sweater has been inadvertently thrown in the dryer, don't panic. In most cases, there's a way to restore it to its original size. Just soak the shrunken garment in a solution of water and a bit of hair conditioner. The conditioner will relax the wool fibers, so you can gently pull the sweater back into its original shape. Now this trick won't always work, especially if your garment has been washed several times, or if it's made from very old or very cheap materials. But it's definitely worth a try. Don't forget to clean your washing machine. Because you likely use your washing machine every week, it's important to clean it out and remove the buildup if you want to keep your clothes looking and smelling great. Washing machines can consume a lot of water and produce a lot of wastewater during their cycles, especially older ones. So you have to make sure that you're not wasting your precious resources with something as simple as neglecting to clean out your washer regularly. If you don't know how to properly clean your washing machine or how often you need to do so, check out this video. The link is in the description below. It will show you exactly how it should be done so that no matter what clothes you put in there, they come out looking fresh and smelling clean. While this chore may seem like a necessary evil, it can actually be easier than you think. Geared with the right tips and hacks, laundry day doesn't need to be dreaded anymore. Thanks for watching. If you thought this video offered some useful information, give it a like and share it with your friends. It allows us to create more great content. If you want to see more videos from us, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video.